Homeostasis is the process by which living organisms maintain a stable internal environment despite fluctuations in the external environment. This stability is vital because the proper functioning of cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems depends on specific internal conditions. The term homeostasis derives from the Greek words homeo, meaning similar, and stasis, meaning standing still, highlighting the body's ability to maintain constancy in its internal environment. While the external environment may change dramatically, homeostasis ensures that internal conditions such as temperature, water balance, blood glucose levels, pH, and ion concentrations remain within narrow limits. The importance of homeostasis cannot be overstated. Cells require optimal conditions for metabolic reactions, which are often catalyzed by enzymes that function best within specific temperature and pH ranges. Deviations beyond these ranges can lead to enzyme denaturation, slowing down or halting essential metabolic processes, which can ultimately threaten survival. Homeostasis also maintains the balance of water, salts, and nutrients, preventing dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, or other physiological disruptions. In essence, homeostasis is fundamental to life, health, and survival. Homeostasis is achieved through feedback mechanisms, which involve a coordinated network of receptors, a control center, and effectors. Receptors, also called sensors, detect changes in the internal environment, referred to as stimuli. These receptors relay information to the control center, often the brain or hypothalamus, which processes the information and initiates a response. The effectors then act to correct the deviation and restore normal conditions. Together, these components form a homeostatic control system, which continuously monitors and regulates physiological variables. There are two main types of feedback mechanisms: negative feedback and positive feedback. Negative feedback is the most common and functions to reverse changes that deviate from the normal state, thereby restoring equilibrium. For example, in temperature regulation, if the body's temperature rises above the normal 37 degrees Celsius, thermoreceptors in the skin and hypothalamus detect the change. The hypothalamus then stimulates effectors such as sweat glands, which secrete sweat, and blood vessels, which dilate, vasodilation, to release heat. This process lowers the body temperature back to its normal level. Conversely, if body temperature falls below 37 degrees Celsius, the hypothalamus triggers shivering, which generates heat through muscle contractions, and vasoconstriction, which reduces heat loss. Another example of negative feedback is the regulation of blood glucose levels.